Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your financial security with Credit Karma easy tutorial step by step clearly. Create a Credit Karma account by visiting their website or downloading the app. Provide your personal information, including your name, email, and password. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your Credit Karma account using your new credentials. Allow the platform to access your financial information securely. View your credit score on the dashboard. Take note of your credit report and the factors affecting your score. Explore the recommended financial products based on your credit profile. Utilize the budgeting tools offered to track your spending and savings. Set up alerts for any significant changes to your credit score. Monitor your credit score regularly to stay updated on your financial health. Check for personalized offers that can improve your credit situation. Review your credit report for any inaccuracies and dispute them if necessary. Leverage the educational resources provided to learn more about credit management. Utilize the loan and credit card calculators to understand potential impacts on your finances. Consider using Credit Karma's tools to simulate different financial scenarios. Take action on the recommendations provided to improve your credit profile. Remember that consistent monitoring and education are key to lasting financial security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.